I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry fish cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fish cake, which we'll slice into quarter-inch pieces. For the sauce, prepare 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Don't forget to chop 3 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion to build a delicious aromatic base for our dish. These simple components are key to a flavorful stir-fry. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the fish cakes themselves. A crucial step for a great texture is blanching. Briefly immerse your sliced fish cake pieces in boiling water for about 30 seconds. This helps remove any excess oil and improves their texture. After blanching, make sure to drain them thoroughly. Then, pat the fish cake pieces completely dry with paper towels. This ensures they will stir-fry beautifully and absorb the sauce better. With your fish cakes prepped, it's time for the main event, stir-frying. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your chopped garlic and onion. Sauté them for about 1 minute until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Next, add the prepared fish cake slices along with your soy sauce and oyster sauce. Stir-fry everything together for 3 to 4 minutes, ensuring all pieces are evenly coated and heated. Your delicious stir-fried fish cake is now ready to be enjoyed. For a fresh touch, garnish your dish with some freshly chopped scallions right before serving. This adds a lovely pop of color and a hint of oniony flavor. It pairs perfectly with a bowl of warm steamed rice, making for a satisfying and quick meal. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple yet flavorful dish is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen, offering a wonderful taste experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.